Today we're going to talk about joins. Joins are an essential part of how we interact with tables and databases. So today's a great day, a big step for you in your SQL career. I'm going to pull up the article, the W3 article. This is a great summary. I hope you've read this article. We really only need two of these joins. The right join is the same as the left join, just flipped, and the cross join's not super relevant. I don't think I've ever actually used a cross join. But inner joins are really important, and that just means if both tables share values, return those values, but eliminate everything else. And the left join saying, give me everything from one table and whatever is shared from the second table. And again, the right join is just flipped on that. Now let's talk examples. So I have my film table here, and I've got this film ID. Look at this. Do you see this? So the film ID just increments by one. Every film has a unique ID. If I go to the, this is in film, so I'm right here, film. If I go to film actor, let's close that one. If I go to film actor, notice I have two IDs, but actually really no information. I have a film ID, okay, and I have an actor ID. Now the actor ID, my guess, is coming from the actor table, right there, actor ID, and the film ID is coming from the film table, okay? So they're at least intuitively assigned there. So let's create a new, let's start off by just grabbing, let's look at this. So film actor. So what this table is doing, by the way, is it's just saying, hey, which actors were in which films? So from the film table, we get a list of films. From the actor table, we get a list of actors. But the film actor table relates the two. So which actors were in which films? So let's pull in some data. Let's find out which actors were in which films, but let's get their first and last name and the name of the film. Okay? So let's do this. Select actor, and we're going to start a new practice here. So we're going to create aliases for tables so that we don't get confused. Now, actor ID, as an example, appears in the actor table and in the film actor table. So to distinguish them, we need aliases. So watch what I do. A.actor, A.actor ID, A.film ID. From film actor A. Okay, so what I did is I assigned the table an alias, which is A, and now when I say A.actor ID and A.film ID, I'm saying I want it from this table. Now you're like, Brother Barron, if you just remove the A, this would still work, and you're right, by the way. This query would work without the aliases. However, I'm going to create some joins, and when we create the joins, you will see why this is important. So from film actor A, let's do left join. And we want to join to the first, we'll go to the actor table, right? So we want the first and last name. Actor B, so we say which table we want to join to, in this case actor, we give it an alias, and now we're going to use the join syntax, and we're going to say on A.actor ID is equal to B.actor ID. So what we've done is we created a relationship between the film actor table and the actor table using what? The actor ID. Okay? So we said, hey, we want to create a relationship between actor ID in the film actor table and actor ID in the actor table. Okay? Why do we want to do that? Because now we can pull additional information. So what if we said B dot first name, B dot last name? So in the same select statement, we're taking data from multiple tables. And the reason the data will be organized in the way you think it will be is through this join relationship. Let's just run this real quick. So actor ID is 1, so let's organize. So notice we got a lot of Penelope Guinness because she was in a lot of different films, bless her heart. And Nick Wahlberg was in a lot of different films, etc. So all we did is we got the name associated with the actor ID. Let's take it one step further. Let's get the film name of these films. So actually pause the video. Using what we just did for actor and actor, film actor and actor, try the same thing for film. So again, remember, film actor just creates the relationship between actors and films. Actor gives you the details of the actors, and the film gives you the details of the film. So can you find a way to join, again, we'll use left join, the film table to get the title of the film? Okay, pause the video, figure that out. So to start this, I'm going to do left join film, I'll give it a C, on a dot film ID is equal to c dot film ID. So we related now the film ID here to the film ID there. Okay, and now in our select statement, we're going to add c dot, I think it's called title. So if I run that, now we have the first name and the last name from the actor table and the title from the film table. Do you see that? So that now we have we started with these two fields, but they don't really tell us anything until we pull in this specific information. Now that we've pulled it in, we can see all sorts of information. And again, we can always use this method.